I change this button right here, replace it for this one. This looks good, better than this. I was gonna get a black one, but I think this looks better, doesn't it? I saw somewhere, I think they did it like this. Let's take a look. Let's see. Can't get it in there, wait. Alright, so after some playing around, that's what it looks like. And then here's the brand new one, as you see. Alright. Now you literally just take this, place it right over, and all done. Wow, that's pretty good. That looks pretty straight. It's as good as we're gonna get. Okay. Perfect. I like it. Got it. Perfect. Really quick, just take a look how it looks. I feel like it doesn't really match, at least with the wood trim, but it's all good. I don't care. I really don't. It looks nice. Check it out. Watch. Oh, sorry. Let's turn off the light. You see? It doesn't look perfect. I thought it was just gonna light up right on the letters, but the plastic is kind of thin. It's all good, I don't really care. I really wanted to find a carbon fiber design on it, but I couldn't find it anywhere. So it's all good. Next oil change in 7,000 miles. I'll probably do it, not sure. Maybe within the next 3,500 miles. I'm gonna baby this thing. The last owner didn't. That's why I blew this engine. But this engine is for sure all up to me, and I'm gonna make sure it's good. Looks good. No biggie, it'll do for now.